Hi guys, my name is Evelyn Kim, and for today's video, we'll be going over Wylock's 3rd grade math curriculum. Topics we'll be going to address in today's video include inequality, division, multiplication, and word problems. Let's get started on our first topic, inequalities. Okay, it asks us to fill in the blank with these signs. Okay, number 1, 29 is what? 243. If we look at the tens place, we know that 29 has a 2 and 43 has a 4, so we can automatically assume that 29 is less than 43, but let's double check by subtracting. 43 minus 29. 13 minus 9 equals 4. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 43 is 14 greater than 29, because 29 plus 14 equals 43. Therefore, we know that 29 is less than 43. Number 2, 26 is what to 20? Well, the tens place is the same. They're both 2. But if we look at the ones place, 26 has a 6 while 20 has a 0. Let's double check to see if 26 is greater than 20. 26 minus 20. 6 minus 0 equals 6. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 26 is 6 units greater than 20. Therefore, we know that 26 is greater than 20. Number 7, 90 and 9. Well, it's pretty obvious. We have a 9 in the tens place and then a 0 in the ones place, and we just have a 9 in the ones place. So it's automatically, we automatically know that 90 is greater than 9, but let's double check once more. 90 minus 9. This becomes an 8, this becomes a 10. 10 minus 9 equals 1, and then we bring down the 8. 90 is 81 units greater than 9. Therefore, we know that 90 is greater than 9. Last problem. 21 is what to 28? Well, they both have the same tens place, but then their ones place is different. 21 has a 1 in the ones place, while 28 has an 8 in the ones place. Therefore, we should automatically assume that 28 is greater than 21, but let's double check. 28 minus 21, 8 minus 1 equals 7, 2 minus 2 equals 0, 28 is 7 units greater than 21, therefore we know that 21 is less than 28. Our next topic is division, and it's asking us to divide the numbers below. We have number 1, 45 divided by 5. 45 divided by 5 can also be looked as 5 times what number equals 45. Well, we know that 5 times 9 equals 45. Therefore, 45 divided by 5 should also equal 9. Number 2, 15 divided by 5. 5 times what number equals 15? We know that 5 times 3 equals 15, so 15 divided by 5 should equal 3. Number 11, 20 divided by 10. We can look at this problem another way besides this method. 20 divided by 10 can also be looked as 10. How much of 10 can fit into 20? We know that 10 plus 10 equals 20. And we also know that 10 times 2 equals 20. Therefore, 10 goes into 20 2 times. So our answer should be 2. 20 divided by 10 equals 2, because 10 plus 10 equals 20, and 10 times 2 also equals 20. Number 12, 30 divided by 5. 5 goes into 30 how many times? Well, we know that 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 30. And we also know that 5 times 6 also equals 30 as well. Therefore, we know that 30 divided by 5 equals 6, because 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 30, which is also known as 5, adding 5 6 times, or 5 times 6, which equals 30. Therefore, 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Next topic is multiplication, and it's asking us to multiply the numbers below. Number 1, 5 times 2. There are different ways you could approach this problem, but let's start off with drawing it out. 5 times 2 can also be referred as 5 groups of 2. So, 1, 2, that's our first group, 1, 2. Second group, 1, 2. Third group, 1, 2. Fourth group, 1, 2. And our final group. 5 groups of 2 circles. Let's add it all up to find our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore, we know that 5 times 2 equals 10. Let's look at number 2, 8 times 9, which can also be referred as 8 groups of 9. Let's draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's our second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Third group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fourth group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's our fifth group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sixth group. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Seventh group, and our last group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our eighth group. In total, we have 8 groups of 9 circles. Let's add it all up to find our final answer. 8 plus 8 equals 16, 16 plus 8 equals 24, 24 plus 8 equals 32, 32 plus 8 equals 40, 40 plus 8 equals 48, and 48 plus 8 equals around 56. And 56 plus 8 equals 72. Therefore, we know that 8 times 9 equals 72. Number 11, 4 times 6. Let's do it a different way and try adding it all up, because multiplication is another type of addition. 4 times 6 can also be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. We have 4 sixes and we add it all together and we should get 24, because 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 24, and 4 times 6 also equals 24. My last topic is word problems, and it's asking us to solve the problems below. Number 1, Mark learned 350 words out of the 1,000 words in his Chinese character book. How many characters does he have left to learn? It's asking us how many characters he has left, our keyword is left, to learn. So therefore we can indicate that this is a subtraction problem. Let's subtract 350 from 1,000. Oops, that was a mistake. 0 minus 6 equals, we have to borrow, so this becomes a 0, this becomes a 9, this becomes a 9, this becomes a 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4, 9 minus 5 equals 4, 9 minus 3 equals 6. So, Mark has 644 characters left to read after learning 350 words. Number 2, there are a total of 50 states in the United States. Johnny has been to 38 of them. How many states has he not been to yet? It's asking us how many states has he not been to yet, so we can indicate that this is a subtraction problem, because we want to know how many states he haven't gone to yet, and we know that he went to 38. So we need to subtract 50 minus 38. 5 becomes a 4 because we're borrowing from the tens place. 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 8 equals 2. 4 minus 3 equals 1. So there are 12 states Johnny has not been to yet in total. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.